a bunch of ick. Yeah, we're on the home stretch. You guys are a Vikings fan? I'm sorry.
Pretty nice out, isn't it, girls? Hey everybody, welcome to Saiger Steam Clean. Welcome to the channel. Sure glad to have you here. This video coming up is Aaron and Brady cleaning a restaurant, which you all love. You love those restaurants, and it was super cold that day there, but you're not going to believe right now how cold it is in Minnesota today. The guys are going out cleaning, and I've asked them if they can try to do a video without freezing up. They're troopers. But anyway, right now Sherry's home and that. I'm out walking the puppies in the nice weather. She's at home in minus 30 below zero temperatures. A lot of you do enjoy seeing Sherry too. So we're out for a morning walk, and again, thanks for being here. See you at the end of the video, I hope.
Brady's pre-spraying her down. He's stuck on nothing. Cleaning a little bar restaurant here. You can see where the rug was. And yep, it is chilly again. I think it's -5, and I don't know what the real feel is. Probably like -20 out. Gonna be super spinning. He's putting down the code red and G-force. We're gonna spray this half over here first, slide some cables around, clean it, then we're gonna slide all this stuff over and move booths and yeah. Brady's gonna pull my hoses, so I'm gonna go all the way here. I'll have to get that edge going from the other direction. A little difference there. I don't know if Mark's going to be able to use this with all the noise. That's a good difference. Looks like chocolate coming through the sight tube. Alright, gonna dry this, move tables back. It's a bunch of ick. I couldn't get my water to fill up because my switch was frozen in my van.
Yeah, nice.
Like the actual push button fill. Yeah, all right, time to do my dry passes. Chunk of crud. Is that sprayed?
Nah. Yeah.
I'll find out if it's not, I guess. More dry. Yeah, we just did underneath all the booths. Yeah, we're on the home stretch. If you guys are a Vikings fan, I'm sorry. There's probably like 6 people out there. We should get Dan over here to clean. What do we got there? Nothing. It's gone. Yeah. I just got that left. Boy, just shut her down real quick.
Kind of a little bit in the jungle here this morning, huh, girls? Well, again, everybody, thanks for being here, checking out the channel. Give a comment, thumbs up, and a like if you would. That'd be awesome. And even consider subscribing. We'd love to see you back again. So what happened with Sherry, she had to go home because her mom fell and broke her hip the other day. And so she flew back into super cold temperatures, helping take care of her mom and everything. We're hoping she can get back here, and we'll be back down here at Saiger South, and the family will show up yet. But things could change a little bit, and I told her if I have to, we'll pack up. Me and the puppies will be on our way home soon, but we'll see how things roll. Again, thanks for everybody for being here and your concerns, I'm sure, and take care. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. What'd you find there, girls? Come on, let's go. Hey, Miley, your boyfriend over here with treats. He's over here. You gonna come along? I know you'll get some treats. Come on, let's go. Oopsie, car's coming. Might be Grandpa and Grandma. Psst, come on. Can you guys keep walking for me? Come on. I don't know what you're doing today, but you're just all over, dodging and diving. I don't think you can eat that. Come on, let's go. Wouldn't be advisable. Some things are not edible. What an awesome ocean breeze today. Woo! Come on, ladies. Wind's to our back now.